AVAPOW! This is a jump starter with a nice carrying case. You have all your stuff right here. You got the user manual, you got your jump starting cable right here. You also got your DC power output, so you can connect this to your unit over here and get DC output for your car accessories. And then you also have a USB-C cable right here to charge the unit. So this is the unit right here. It's got a little handle, and this one is crazy powerful, 6,000 amp output, so that you can jumpstart even trucks with this thing. It has a light, so if you push and hold the power button, there is a nice light that turns on. It's very nice. It's diffused. You have a USB Type-C input and 2 USB-A output, and a DC output right here that connects to your car DC accessories. And then the star of the show is connecting into this thing over here. It only connects one way, and this will jumpstart your car. This connector right here is very heavy duty, and it doubles as a display unit right here, and it also has some functionality. I'll show you how it works right now. Plug this in. When you push it in all the way, it does go in all the way. So look how far you have to push it in to make sure you make good contact. When you plug it in, the light will turn blue. That means it's ready to be plugged into your car. And once you connect it, you will have a green light, and you can jumpstart your car. In the case that your battery is very, very low voltage, there is a red button right here that you push for 3 seconds, and then it will provide you override power. But make sure that when you do that, you absolutely make sure that red is connected to red and black is connected to black. Absolutely double, triple check that, okay? And then that's how you use this. This thing is incredibly useful for jump starting your car, and it can jump start big trucks too because it's got that 6,000 amp. So once you're done, you can take this out. And I love how everything is so heavy duty, and I like to have a light right here and a handlebar on this unit. Turn off the light, and like the little handle right here, and everything comes packaged in a case so you can store it away and put all this stuff in here, and you're good to go. So very nice unit, very, very capable jump starter right here from AVAPOW. Oh yeah.